सबको प्रणाम. Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to solve few problems on the BODMAS which is too familiar and famous with all the kind of competitive examinations as well as a kind of entrance examinations. So चल जाएंगे हम BODMAS problems को solve करेंगे, सब concepts को ठीक से समझेंगे. So whenever you get this kind of problems, generally it is your duty to understand what is the sequence. So many people can say what is the value of what will be the value of 1 plus 1. So many people say it will be like 1 plus 1 is equals to how much? Everyone says 2. So what is the value of 3 into 2? It is 6. So what is the value of 6 divided by 2? It is 3, isn't it? So what is the value of 10 minus 3? It will be 7. So it will be easy when one operation being used, isn't it? So sub milke all together, whenever you find the operations, then you will be getting the point of confusion. So need not to confusion, no confusion please. So what is the solution for this no confusion is nothing but the principle of BODMAS. Principle of BODMAS. I hope you clearly understood, isn't it? So whenever we use a concept called as BODMAS, so it will be too familiar. Yeah. Now try to understand what is this BODMAS speaks about. Whatever what. So we will be seeing that what is that BODMAS is all about. So whenever you get this kind of problems, we generally use the word BODMAS, isn't it? Yeah. So you may get a questions of this kind, isn't it? So whenever you get this kind of questions, you should use the word brackets. B stands for brackets, O stands for of, division, multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction, isn't it? Now this should be the priority, order. This should be the order, BODMAS. So first preference should be given for brackets, then for the of, then for division, then for multiplication, then for addition, then subtraction. Now try to understand. In this equation, first preference should be given for brackets. So whatever the items comes under brackets, you have to give the first preference. Now what is under bracket? In bracket it is 3 into 9. So what is the 3 into 9 value? It is 27, right? Now you just write as it is equation 21 divided by 3 plus 3 into 9, it is 27 into 9 plus 5. Now next preference should be given off. We don't have any off, but we have a division, isn't it? So it is 21 divided by 3 plus 27 into 9 plus 5. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Now it is 7 plus 27 into 9 plus 5, isn't it? Yeah. Next should be given for multiplication, isn't it? Multiplication, you go for it. 7 plus 27 into 9. 27 into 9, it is 243. So it is 243 plus 5, isn't it? Yeah. Next should be given for addition. So 243 plus 7, 250 plus 5, it is 255, right? Yes? Yeah. I hope it is too clear, isn't it? Are you understanding? 255 is the correct answer. Yeah. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the more updates. You just subscribe my channel, you will be getting more updates regarding all the examinations, competitive examinations, RRB exam, SSC exam, UGS exam, as well as CA entrance we are planning to go forward. So you just subscribe my channel. Yeah. Next question is 18 6 into 4 minus 3. Now the principles, it is like BODMAS. Go for the BODMAS principle. First should be the bracket, isn't it? Bracket should be the first preference. We have the bracket 4 minus 3, it is 1, isn't it? O of, we don't have an of. We have the division. Yeah. Now so now just check out 18 by 6, 18 divided by 6 into 1 plus 6, right? Isn't it? Yeah. 18 divided by 6 into 1, 6 ones are 6 3s are, isn't it? 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus 6, isn't it? So first preference should be given for We have multiplication, addition. First should be given for multiplication, isn't it? Multiplication. Now it is 3 into 1, 3 plus 6, isn't it? 3 into 1, 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Are you understanding? Yeah. Please put concentration with the sequence order. Yeah. Next. Go for next problem. Go for, with the help, again you use the principle BODMAS. Yeah. So try to understand the concept. First preference should be given for the brackets. So in the bracket we have a 24 divided by 8, isn't it? 24 divided by 8. So in these cases you just take care of 8 ones are 8 threes are 8 ones are 8 threes are. Now 14 minus 8 plus 3 plus 8 into 3, isn't it? Yeah, you just hover, done. Now we have minus, plus into. Now first preference should be given for, we have multiplication, addition, subtraction. Our first preference should be given for multiplication. Where do you have multiplication? Here. It is 8 into 3, it is 24, isn't it? So 14 minus 8 plus 3 plus 24, isn't it? Yeah. Now first preference should be given for additions. So it can be written like so 3 plus 24 plus 14 minus 8, isn't it? So we can write this the same way. Now what will be the value here? Please check out. So 24 plus 14 is nothing but 38. So 38 plus 3, again 38 plus 3, how much? Otherwise you can go like this even. What is the value? Yeah, that's it. 41 minus 8. So what is the value? It will be like around 33. Such a easy question. Is there anything tough? Students, tell me. So you need to go with the logic, right? You just subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. You will be getting more problems and more practice. We will have a good amount of practice. Yeah, 4 into 5 plus 4 into 18 into 3 divided by 6. First of all, we should follow which principle? BODMAS principle, isn't it? BODMAS principle. Now go for it. Now you just go for you just solve this question and put it in the comment section. Please comment the answer. Comment the answer. Yes? Yeah. Don't forget to comment the answer. Not to worry, just comment the answer in the comment section. Yeah. Like, share the video to your friends and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Yeah. Next. Yeah, very important, very basic question we can say. So this will be the principle, you just go with the BODMAS. Now again we have the brackets here concept. 10 into 6 plus 2 plus 56 minus 8, isn't it? Now we have into, plus, minus. First preference should be given for into, isn't it? So now you go for it. 10 into 6, 60 plus 2 plus 56 minus 8, right? Yes. Now go for additions. Yes. Now go for additions. You will be getting, so 116, 118 minus 8 is equals to 110. It is very clear. 110. Right? Now 28 divided by 4, 10 minus 8, we have two brackets. So now try to understand. 28 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 10 minus 8 into 5. 28 divided by 4 is nothing but 4 1s are 4 7s are 4 7 plus 3 plus 2 into 5, right? Now just go with what will be the first preference? We have plus and we have into, isn't it? First preference should be go for into. Now it will be the preference. 7 plus 3 plus 10 is nothing but 20 is the correct answer. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20, isn't it? I hope this is very clear as far as the information is concerned. Yeah. Now 12 minus 5 plus 6 into 3 plus 20 divided by 4. Try to understand. You go with the principle of BODMAS. No brackets. We don't have any brackets. We have a off. We don't have any off. We have a division. Yes. How many divisions we have? A single division. So 12 minus 5 plus 6 into 3 plus 20 divided by 4. 20 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are. 12 minus 5 plus 6 into 3 plus 5, isn't it? Yes. Next preference should be given for multiplication and next preference should be given for subtraction. Yeah, multiplication. 12 minus 5 plus 6 into 3, it is again first preference should be multiplication. Now 6 into 3, it is 18. So now 12 minus 5 plus 18 plus 5, isn't it? So now we can just see here it is a minus 5 plus 5 cancel. So now it is 12 plus 18, which is equals to 30, right? Yes. Now try to understand. Next question, 36 divided by 9 plus 48 by 10 divided by 2, and go with BODMAS principle. BODMAS principle, first preference should be given for brackets, then for the off, then for the division, then for multiplication, then for addition, and it should be subtraction. You solve this question, consider it as homework, and you just give in the comment section answer in the comment section, right? Yeah, just put the question number and give the comment section answer. 10 plus 8 into 90 divided by 9 minus 4. Try to understand. Again the question is 10 plus 8 into 90 divided by 9 minus 4. Now this is the question. So try to understand the equation first. So let us try with the equation BODMAS. Yes, what is the value of bracket? Do we have any brackets? No. Do we have any offs? No. We have a divisions? Yes, we have divisions. So it is like 10 plus 8 into 90 by 9 minus 4. 9 ones are 9 tens are. Yes, 10 plus 8 into 10 minus 4. It is like multiplication again, since it is in first preference. Addition, yeah, multiplication. So now 10 plus 80 minus 4, isn't it? 90 minus 4 is about 86. Is there anything wrong? You just check out. Isn't it? Yes. Next question. 8 into 3 plus 70 divided by 7 minus 7. 8 into 3, use the BODMAS principle. So go for BODMAS principle. Do we have any brackets? No, we don't have an off. Do we have a division? Yes, we have a division over here. So 8 into 3 plus 70 by 7 minus 7. 7 was there, 7 tens are. 8 into 3 plus 10 minus 7. So do we have any kind of sequence? Now our preference should be like yeah, our preference should be like multiplication, addition, subtraction. Our preference should be multiplication. Yes. So 8 into 3, it is 24 plus 10 minus 7. So generally it will be, what is the value? Yes. So what will be the value? It is 34 minus 7. Yes, 34 minus 7 is nothing but 27 is the correct answer, isn't it? I hope you clearly understood, isn't it? Yes. So going forward, we will be having more updates in the next videos. So keep tuned, subscribe the channel, like, share the videos to your friends. Goodbye. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.